Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. So guys, how are you? Kumusta? Kumusta mo diha tanan? Ako, I'm okay. I am very well, very okay. Today, I decided to share with you guys some words, phrases, and sentences that are very common during this time, during this pandemic due to COVID-19. Okay, I'm gonna give you the vocabularies first. Then let's go on to the basic phrases and then go on to the sentences. Okay, now let's discuss the vocabularies first. We have health, kahimsog, kahimsog or panglawas. Okay, that's the health, panglawas or kahimsog. Next, we have cough, ubo, ubo, ubo. Fever, hilanat, hilanat. Bacteria, bacteria is kagaw, kagaw. Air, hangin, air, hangin, hangin. Body, okay, body, your lawas, okay, lawas, body. Face is nawong, nawong or naong, nawong or naong. So that's for the face. Eyes, mata, mata, mata. Mouth, ba-ba, ba-ba. Sore throat, okay, sore throat. Sakit, okay, sore is sakit. Tutunlan is your throat. Sakit sa tutunlan, sore throat, okay? Hospital is hospital or tambalanan. Tambalanan. The root word here is tambal, medicine, which means medicine, tambal. Tambalanan is hospital. Okay? Breath, okay, your breath or breathe, ginhawa. 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 Tiredness, okay, you're very tired. Tiredness. Kapoy ang lawas. Kapoy ang lawas. Okay? Medicine, again, it's tambal. Hands, mga kamot. Okay? Plural form for hands is mga kamot. Okay? Food, pagkaon. Pagkaon. Exercise. We have exercise. So we can just use exercise or exercise in Bisaya, we just have exercise or ehersisyo. Ehersisyo. But usually in Bisaya, regular conversation, we just use exercise. Avoid, okay? Paglikay. Paglikay, avoid. Isolate. Paglain. Paglain. Sick. Nasakit. Sick is nasakit. Money. Kwarta. Kwarta. Magpuyo. Magpuyo is stay. Okay? Stay is magpuyo. Next, we have rub. Okay, like rub. Okay, you rub your eyes like that. Or we usually say lugod. Okay, lugod. Next, we have wash. Hugas. Hugas. Soap. Sabon. 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 Water. Tubig. Tubig. Pahulay. Rest. Okay, rest. And then stop is hunong. Hunong. Vaccine. Bakuna. Bakuna. Groceries. Grocery. Grocery. Work. Trabaho. Trabaho. Days. Adlaw. Adlaw. Effective. Effective. Epektibo. Epektibo. Wala. Nothing or not. Wala. Infected. Infected. Natakdan. Natakdan. Clean is limpyo. Clean is limpyo. Data. Datos. Datos. Pila. How many if you're talking about quantity. How much if you're talking about the money. Okay, how much? Pila. Room. Cuarto. Cuarto. House. Balay. Balay. Family. Pamilya. Pamilya. Children. Mga anak. If you see mga, that means it is plural form. Drink. Inom. Inom. Gathering. Nagtapok. Or kapundukan. Kapundukan. Cooperation. Kooperasyon. Okay, kooperasyon. Ways. Pamaagi. Ways. Pamaagi. Okay, we have another set of vocabularies. Objects. Mga butang. Mga butang. Contaminated. Contaminado. Contaminado. Okay? Infectious. Infectious. Makatakod. Makatakod. Asymptomatic. Walay gibating sintomas. Walay gibating sintomas. Tigulang. Old. Okay, old. Tigulang. Tigulang. Pregnant. Mabdos. Mabdos. Patient. Pasyente. Pasyente. Bored. Gilaay. Gilaay. Runny nose. Sip-on. Sip-on. Headache. Labad ang ulo. Labad ang ulo. Diarrhea. Kalibanga. Kalibanga. Sneezing. Hatching. Okay, hatching. Body aches. Sakit ang panglawas. Ache is sakit. Oh, okay, ache is sakit. Body is panglawas. Okay. Solution. 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 To help. Pagtabang. Pagtabang. Buhatunon. Things to do. Buhatunon. Things to do. Expensive. Mahal. Mahal. Expensive. Okay. Now we're done with vocabularies. Let's go to the popular phrases. Okay. Pandemic, common phrases and sentences. We have wear a face mask. Okay. Wear a face mask. Pagsulob og face mask. Okay. Where is pagsulob? Okay. The pag here is it's a command form. Pagsulob. Okay. Og here is a or an in the English language. Okay. And then we know face mask. Wear a face mask. Pagsulob og face mask. Social distancing. Pagdistansya sa isig katawo. Sa isig katawo. Social is, isig katawo, you are between, social, people. Isig katawo. But the root word here is tao, katao, you're referring to a human person. Pagdistansya sa isig katawo. Okay? You distance from each other. Stay home. Pagpuyo sa panimalay. Okay? Stay home. Puyo. Oh, okay. You can say puyo sa panimalay. Okay? Puyo is stay. Panimalay is home. A lot of these are using formal terms, guys. Okay? You can actually say puyo sa balay. That's very, the meaning is still the same. but for formality's sake, because most of these are an announcement from the government. So pagpuyo sa panimalay, pagpuyo means it's more formal. They use mostly if it's an announcement, we use formal words. Okay? Pagpuyo sa panimalay. Stay home. Enough rest. Saktong pahulay. Enough is sakto. Okay? Saktong, there is an ng here, saktong. It's actually sakto nga pahulay. The nga here is the linker nga, and it is contracted because, yeah, we like to contract words. Saktong pahulay. Okay, enough rest. Okay, let's go to some sentences. Always wash your hands. Hugasan kanunay ang mga kamot. Okay, always is kanunay. Wash, hugas, hugasan. Okay, to wash, hugasan. Your hands, okay, your hands, ang mga kamot. Take a bath every day. Take a bath every day. Maligo, maligo is to take a bath. Kada adlaw, every day. Okay, every day is kada adlaw. Drink lots of water. Drink lots of water. Moinom, okay? Moinom og daghang tubig. Daghang tubig, okay? Or you can just say inom og daghang tubig. Okay? Drink is inom or moinom. Lots is daghan. Water is tubig. Tubig. Moinom og daghang tubig or inom og daghang tubig. Drink lots of water. Next, avoid large gatherings. Okay, this is very important, guys. Okay, likayan ang dagkong pundok. Likayan, that means to avoid. Large is dagko. Okay, dagko. We have ng here, so there is a contracted nga linker here. Dagkong pundok. Pundok is gatherings. Okay. Listen to the news. Maminaw sa balita. Listen is maminaw. To the news is sa balita. Sa balita. Next one, we have cooperate with the authorities. Mupatuo sa mga otoridad. Cooperate is mupatuo. Sa here is like, the sa is like the, okay, definite article the. Okay, the authorities, mga otoridad. Authorities here is in plural form, so we should add mga in Bisaya, mga, mga as to show that it is plural form. Otoridad is authorities. Always keep surroundings and objects clean. Okay? Kanunay limpyo ang palibot o mga butang. Okay, let's break that down. Always is kanunay. Surroundings, ang palibot. Okay, palibot. The and here is the og, og. And then mga butang, objects. Okay, objects, mga butang. And then clean is limpyo. Kanunay limpyo ang palibot og mga butang. Always keep surroundings and objects clean. Okay. Next, call your doctor. Call your doctor. Tawagi. Okay. Tawagi imong doktor. Call is tawagi. Okay, I mean to call. Okay, it's imperative that you call your doctor. Tawagi. And then, your here is imong doktor. Okay, call your doctor. Tawagi imong doktor. Next, we don't want to hear this. You have COVID-19. Okay? Aduna kay COVID-19 virus. Okay? Okay, the you here is ka. Okay? And then have is aduna. Aduna, present. Okay? You have COVID. Aduna ka kay COVID-19. Okay? Okay, another phrase that you don't want to hear. You are COVID-19 positive. You are COVID-19 positive. Positibo ka positibo ka sa COVID-19. Okay? The you here is ka, positive is positibo. Okay? You are COVID-19 positive, positibo ka sa COVID-19. Breathing difficulty, maglisod o ginhawa. Maglisod o ginhawa. Breathing difficulty. Breathing is your ginhawa. Difficulty is maglisod. Maglisod. Okay? Next, loss of appetite. Walay gana mukaon. Okay, loss of appetite. You don't want to eat. You don't feel like eating. Appetite is gana. Okay, gana. Appetite. Loss is gone or wala. Okay, wala. Alright, another important sentence to take note. Avoid touching your face. Okay, avoid touching your face. Likaye ang paghikap sa imong nawong. Likaye ang paghikap sa imong nawong. Likaye is avoid. Paghikap, touching. Okay, touching is paghikap. Your is imong, face is nawong. Okay, avoid touching your face. Likaye ang paghikap sa imong nawong. Okay, weak immune system. Okay, hinay og immune system. Okay, or you can say hinay og panglawas. The immune system here is talking about the body, the health of the body. So you can use hinay ang panglawas. Hinay ang panglawas. Okay, that is weak immune system. Hinay is weak. All right. Next, we have public places. Pampublikong lugar. Okay? Public is pampubliko. Pampubliko. And then we have NG here as contracted nga linker. That's why we say pampublikong lugar. Lugar is place. Okay? Take care. Pag-amping. Okay? The shortcut here is amping. Take care, pag-amping. It's more imperative. There is a command that you have to take care. Next, cannot be accommodated. Cannot be accommodated. That means dili maatiman. Dili is cannot. Okay, accommodated, maatiman, maatiman. Dili na maatiman, cannot be accommodated. Okay? Cannot be means dili na. Spread of COVID-19. Pagkuyanap sa COVID-19. Spread is pagkuyanap. Okay, spread. The of here is sa. Okay? Okay, last slide. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Kaon og masustansyang pagkaon. Kaon og masustansyang pagkaon. Okay, let's break it down. Eat is kaon. Healthy, masustansya. Masustansya, that means to sustain. Sustansya, sustain. Okay? Food. Food is pagkaon. Okay? Eat healthy food. Kaon og masustansyang pagkaon. Okay. Next, wash your hands using soap and water. Wash your hands using soap and water. Hugasan ang mga kamot. Ang mga kamot gamit ang sabon ug tubig. Hugasan ang mga kamot gamit ang sabon ug tubig. Okay? Wash your hands using soap and water. Okay, wash is hugasan. The your here is it's more implied that it's about your hands, okay? And then hands, mga kamot. Using is gamit, soap is sabon, and here is og, and then tubig is water. Okay? Wash your hands using soap and water. Hugasan ang mga kamot gamit ang sabon ug tubig. Okay. Last one. Don't go out of the house. Ayaw ug gawas sa balay. Don't is ayaw. Go out is gawas. Sa here is the definite the house. Okay? Balay. House is balay. Again, don't go out of the house. Ayaw o gawas sa balay. Or don't get out of your house. Ayaw o gawas sa balay. Okay? Okay, that's the end of our COVID-19 common words, phrases, and sentences, guys. So these words and sentences are very, very common during this time, during this pandemic. Okay, so if you have questions, just comment down below. Okay, if you want to add, you can also comment down below. If you like this video, you might want to give me a thumbs up. If you are just very new in my channel, subscribe. Okay, visit me. Okay, access the learning materials of this lesson at my site cebuano101.com. I'll see you there. Okay, I'll see you next time for another lesson. Every Friday, I do have a very short video lesson about everyday phrases. You might want to come back. Okay? Bye for now. Thank you for your time.